Hi guys, I'm going to do the market recap for the 13th to the 17th, okay? The trades that I put on see what won and what didn't win, or what didn't come in. So I'm just going to quickly go over the strategy first, okay? So as you know, like most of you know, I trade, this is a 71, Fibs 71 strategy, okay? First thing I do is obviously I look for impulse to find the pairs that I need that are trending, because trend is your friend, okay? Once you've got that, then the first thing I need is a Bollinger Band break. Now, if it's coming down, if I'm looking for a down move, okay, I want to try and get in at premium areas. So first thing I do is look for a Bollinger Band break. As you can see, I've got a small Bollinger Band break there. I do like a little bit more, but as long as it's broken, I'm happy per days. I like a decent candle in. This one's slightly in the candle, and it's slightly in, so I'm happy with that. It's like 2 candles in, but a little bit more would be better, but this is okay. So then after that, once I got that, then I'm looking for a breaker structure. As you can see, I've got a good breaker structure here. I'm waiting for a breaker structure, and now I'm going to set my alarms here. So I set my alarms for the breaker structure. Okay, so I'm just going to play this now. Okay, so it's hit the alarm now, and I'm just going to wait a bit more of a break. As you can see, right now it's dropped. Now, once I've got that, now I'm looking for a pullback slightly. Now, I've got a little bit of a pullback now, so I can put the fibs out. So I put the fibs out. I'll just take this fibs off here. Okay. I'm going to put the fibs, okay, from the high to the low of this. Okay. And then what I do then, I set another alarm on the 38.2, okay, just here. So my alarm's set. Now I'm waiting for the alarm to go off. So we'll play that. Now this actually doesn't take long, because you think about it. All I'm done is basically coming here, look at the Bollinger Band break. Then I set my alarm and I go away for the charts. Then when the alarm goes off, I then set another alarm. And when the alarm goes off, I just put another alarm on. Or you set a pending. So okay. The alarm's not gone off yet. Now the alarm's gone off. Now, once the alarm's gone off, I then come in and I've got, like, if your alarm goes off here, you've got what? It's half an hour candles. So technically, alarm gone off at 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. You've got, like, you know what I mean? You've got hours before you need to put the pendant on. It could just shoot up. Now, you don't want it like that. You want it to flag. You don't want it to go straight up. Then it's a no trade. So you want it to flag as it's flagging now. It's sort of pushing down and it's pushing back up again, as you'll see in a minute. Okay, so now I put my pendant on, and then I wait. Okay, as it's like you see, it's just consolidating, and it hit me in there. As it hit there, I'm happy with that, and then I wait and see what happens. Now I closed this trade early because it come to the Friday, but I was still in profit, so I'm happy with that. That is basically the strategy, okay? So that strategy is easy. It doesn't take long. Literally come to the charts, I've got Bollinger Band break, then I wait for breaker structure, then I'm waiting for a pullback. Once you're there, I can then start pulling back and then can set my fibs out. Once I put my fibs out, I can then set my alarm on 382. Now this could take a few days for this. Now if you look here, Bollinger break was on the 7th of Jan, okay? Now this is on the 13th. So I came to the charts on the 13th, right? It had already done this. It already broke structure. On the 13th, on the Monday the 13th, it already started pulling back on the Monday. So on Sunday night, I had all this already, and then on Monday, okay, I'm looking at this. Okay, well, it's pulling back now. So this is already done. So you come to the charts like this, and all you're waiting on is the pullback to the 382. So basically, you could have come to the charts on a on Sunday night, Monday morning. Yeah, I've got that, check. Got the breaker structure, check. Fibs set out, check. And now my alarm for the 382. So Monday, you're waiting for that to hit. Then it hits on a Monday. You go, well, I'll put a pendant out. So on Monday, you'll put the pendant out and then waiting. And it hit on Wednesday. So how hard is that? It took you probably 10 minutes to put once you've got that, set it up, all done, which could take you a few minutes, easy. And then all you're doing then is putting your pending on, which takes you a couple of minutes, and that's it. You sit, wait and win or not, win or lose, set and forget. So it's not that hard. Just think about it, guys. But I'm going to show you now what I did this week anyway. So enjoy the rest of the video. Thank you. Alright, hi guys. I'm going to go through the the market recap, what I've done this week. So again, it's because it's a new year, second week of the year, a bit of a slow week. So a lot of the trades didn't come down to the area of the 71. Few just come off the 618, or some of them just missed the 618 again, then pull back up or pull back down. So I'll go through some of the stuff. Right, we start off here, the Aussie CAD. Now Aussie CAD just missed the 71. Sorry, I didn't put a pending on it at the time. I was watching the impulse, but literally just missed it anyway. It was coming towards the end of the week. Now on a Friday, if they're coming close to it, I won't put them on because we close all our trades on a Friday. So it's up to you how you want to play your trading plan, but my trading plan is I cancel my trades on the Friday morning. I have a quick look where they are, and if they're not even close, I'll just cancel them. And if they pull up to it on the in the evening, I'll just close it. I know always close them in the evening, and just go with the hopefully. Yeah, if they come in, they come in. It's one of them things. So that's my trading plan. So yeah, again here, Aussie CAD. It didn't come up to the 71, so that's a orange. I'll just put that on my what do you call it, journal as an orange. So we're looking for an up move here. Okay, so we had this one. Yeah, so we had this one last week. So the start of the week was, if I think around here, this was last week, so I didn't take it off. So the start week was here. So we're waiting for a breaker structure. It didn't hit the breaker structure, so we just bothered. This was last week's win, as you would have seen from the previous video. So it came down, and then we're looking for a breaker structure here. It didn't even. It broke structure slightly, but it didn't come all the way down to the area. We didn't even set fibs. Didn't even come in. So I was waiting for more of a push up. Okay, let's go the Aussie USD. Okay, so this is one we had. It came into the area. So I had 2 seconds. Let's change that. Take that off. Okay, so we had the breakers. We had the Bollinger Band here. It broke structure here. It then started pulling back. I set my fibs. I set my alarm, and then it tapped in on the 71 and then dropped. Now it did drop quite close to the take profit, but it pushed back up, and then I cancelled it probably just before this. Yeah, it still didn't make the take profit at the end of the day, but we cut it early because of the weekend. So, but I'm happy with that. Profit's profit, so that's good for me. Okay, Aussie JPY. Again, it didn't hit the 718 or the 71. Now, obviously, our target's a 71. It didn't hit it. And look, it literally, if it didn't even hit the 71. Sorry, the 618. So, but it dropped anyway. Now it's broke a structure again, so we can look for maybe another move again, and look for an area on tomorrow, because it's just now Saturday, so we'll go from that. Okay, Euro. I was waiting for breaker structure again. It was going an up move. It didn't do anything, so we'll move on with that one. That's said about that. Again, didn't break structure, so nothing was set. Okay, this one here, Euro CAD. Again, it came up. Excuse me. I hit my 382 alarm, and then I was waiting for check impulse, but it was close to the day. It was basically close to the end of the week, and as it hit, just basically, I think it was like 12 o'clock midday. I didn't bother getting into it. I just left it because it's close to the weekend. I don't like it if it hits the center. I mean, sometimes I'll let it run. But I think impulse was showing different as well, so I just left it. I didn't decide not to. And again, look, I would have been in drawdown anyway. I would have lost, so I would have been in loss on that one. So right decision to do. Just leave it. If it comes in on Friday, just end the Friday. I wouldn't bother putting it. Let it. Just cancel them. I cancel mine on the mornings anyway. So that's that one. So like Euro USD. Again, it didn't hit the 71. This one did hit the 618. Again, I trade the 71, so it didn't hit that, and then pushed back down. So if you did go for 61, you would have been in for a bit of profit. This one I didn't take. It did hit it on Tuesday, but this one here, Impulse, even when it was coming down here, was telling me different, so I didn't get in it. In the end of the day, I would have been in drawdown at the end of it anyway. It was telling me, it flipped completely. I think the daily, it all flipped as it come back here, and it didn't even. I don't mind the 30 flipping, the 5, the 15, and the 30 flipping, but I think the whole lot flipped, and it was coming up, and then it flipped back again and it come back. But I don't mind it if it's the 30, but if the one and the 1 hour, the 4 hour and a daily flip, then I'll probably not put it on. But the whole lot flipped as far as I looked at it, if I can remember rightly. That's why I didn't put it on. As you can see, it came back down and then pushed back up again. You would have been a little bit in profit because of here, but again, that I would have cut it probably just here anyway because it's on Friday afternoon. I'd have cut it. This one didn't even come back. Didn't come back at all. This was a up move anyway. 2 seconds, no, this was a down move, sorry, and it didn't come back. It hit the 3.8, hit my fibs, it went back to the 382 and then just came back down again. So to me, didn't even bother setting a pen on that one. Yeah, USD, British pound USD. Now I thought this would have come back, but it didn't. It just pushed back down. It started hovering around a 382 and then dropped a little bit. So I was just playing around. That could be still a good setup for next week. So it's consolidating here. So let's see what it does on Sunday, or sorry, Monday. But we'll set it on Monday and have a look. We'll reassess it and go from there. Okay, we had this one. Again, we had a partial win on it again. We had 2 partial wins this week, but no losses, which is a good thing. So yeah, again, it came up to the 71. Obviously, it broke structure. We had Bollinger Band break, broke structure here, came back down as it started pulling up. I set my fibs out, my alarm for the 382. It hit my 71 and dropped and got I think it was like a 3/4 of the actual take profit. So yeah, I'm happy with that. All good. Like I said, 2 wins, no losses, which is a good thing. Profit's profit. Okay, this one again, New Zealand and Canadian dollar didn't come up. Now this still could be technically a good win. Hit the 618 again a couple of times. I think hit 618 a couple of times and didn't bother dropping. It dropped a little bit and then went back up again. Then this again and it didn't hit 71. So this still could be potential in the morning, but I'd have to wait until I'll set it on a Sunday night, or wait and the Monday morning to check the impulses. What impulse is doing. So we'll see. We'll assess it again on Sunday / Monday morning. Again, we'll have to reset. Need to reset again. I set it here, pulled back up, hit 61, have dropped. If you did that, you would have had a good little win on 61. And there's a reason why I don't do 61s. Now, this one we would have won probably. Say if you did set your 61 there from a 2 to 1s. 2 seconds. Just say it's there. You got 2 to 1. You still would have probably not hit take profit. Still would have probably take profit. Yeah, you'd have been still in. That's the reason why. The reason why it has to break structure here. Again, if you do the 618, it has to break structure. It has to do an extra thing to do it. So it comes down. It has to break the structure again. And sometimes it does, sometimes it doesn't. And that's why I prefer the 71. So I don't have to break structure to get it. If it did hit that and come back down, it wouldn't have to break structure. So that's the reason why I don't go for the 618. And it's just all my journals I've done. I've done 618 and 71, and it actually works out better for me. For risk reward is the 71 in long term. Okay, no, nothing on that one. Don't know why I've got that one marked. Forget that. Okay, this one here was a up move, but it didn't do anything. It did break structure, just broke structure at the end of the day. So USD chef, again, it didn't come down to my area. Just missed a 618 in this one, so you wouldn't have got that either. but yeah, it just missed it. Yeah, that would have been a nice. It's nice flagging, nice as well. Flagging nice, little drop there, but flagging nice in and then up. But this one could still come down, so we'll have to assess it again. But yeah, overall I'm quite happy. I'm up on my account, so that's good. And that's the main thing. Again, no losses, 2 partial wins, which makes good profit, so I'm happy with that. Yeah, just keep following, guys, and I hope you enjoy the videos. Thank you. Enjoy. Have a good weekend. Hi guys, please subscribe to this channel, please. I appreciate it if you can. Also, have a look at our website. There's lots of free training on there as well. Have a look around on that. I'm also on Facebook, and I'm also on TikTok. So please like and share and follow. I appreciate it. Appreciate your help. Thanks very much. Take care. See you later. Enjoy.